I need to replace the fan and the battery. So I've taken out all the screws on the bottom. I've got a razor blade that I use with a handle on the end of it that I can pop these up. The opening tool. I just get it right down in there, and I look for my little latches and just pop it up. There's the latch. There's one. Pulls up, flip over, pull up this little guy. I have nothing else here as far as screws go. Disconnect this little ribbon cable, and I have another little ribbon cable over here. All right. Comes right up and off. I don't need to remove that. Go ahead and remove the heat sink. So, at the risk of contaminating anything, let's close this up. Out of the way. Let's see if this will work. Now, I could have bought the whole unit, but it would have been another $5 or more. As it sets here, the fan is easy to replace. It's about $3 or $4. And look at that. Oh my God. No wonder it overheated. No wonder I had to reflow. Tell you what, I'm going to have to stop. Take this in the back and clean it. Dip it. So I'll be right back. So, with all that blockage, I'd say the cooling fan couldn't blow any air through it. But I'm still going to replace with the new one and then reseal it. Aluminum tape is a good replacement. For this stuff here. And I need some more. And I'm just going to put a little more heatsink paste down. Something's being stupid. Just like that. Alright, I want to show you a little something here that you just may find interesting, if I can focus in on it proper and stop the camera from shaking. This little connector that goes down to this pocket is loose. So I've put alcohol in my fingers. I took a swab and swabbed this from any contamination. All the oil gone. What I'm going to do is back up that connector a little bit with a piece of silver tape. On this side is the connector, and on this side it's blank. I'm going to put a little piece of, and try to put it on there. There we go. Just to kind of thicken it up a little bit. Make sure my little connector is up. Now we're going to double up. Okay. Of course, I got it running. I wouldn't suggest that. It's a little tighter. I think that might do it. And that's it.